Go ahead. It's. At least you're not gonna like it. You're not gonna like it. Just get your napkin and politely, like you're wiping your mouth, and spit it out. Last day. I'm just enjoying it. I'm enjoying the view. Hi.
I want to go to more islands.
You want to go where? Where you want to go, Bob?
To more islands.
You want to go to more islands? Want to go to more islands? Yeah, me too, man. Me too. It's sea day. Our last sea day, our last day, and you know, I'm feeling it right here in my heart, and it hurts. We haven't done a lot on this cruise. We were gonna, but you know, Bob has been sick. You feeling better?
Yes.
Okay. He's been kind of sick, so we've actually been keeping it really light. All the activities that we wanted to do every time we try to go, something either would happen or Bob wouldn't be feeling well, so we would just cancel. What we're gonna do right now is Bean's already gone because it's like 12. I think it's actually going on like 1 o'clock. We're gonna go try out the pasta place. The pasta spot is actually free for lunch. You have to pay for dinner. So we're gonna try to go and check out the free option.
Between water.
What you said?
Between water.
Between water?
Yes.
Okay. Pig and Anchor is only open on sea days, and it's on the 5th deck, and we are like right above it. So I just want to show y'all just what the line. I mean, it's not like super bad. It was a little bit longer earlier. If y'all watched our first vlog, our first cruise vlog for day 1, you would have seen that we ate at Pig and Anchor barbecue spot. To us, it wasn't all that, but you know, to each his own. We about to go to the pasta place?
Yes.
Kiss. Ooh, sweet kisses from my sweet, sweet papa.
Hi. Hi. How are you? I have the most.
Go follow her. So that's Mongolian walk, but we're going this. Thank you so much. So same deal. You choose what you want to eat. Just like Mongolian walk. Get us some focaccia bread.
What is focaccia?
And this is the Caesar salad.
We have salad for you. Why did they brought salad in here?
It's salad for mommy. Alright, here's our pasta based on our selections. Looks good? Here goes Gaby's. Here is Big's. We got shrimp. We got a little bit of everything. And then here's mine.
And I want a fork.
It's still hot?
Is it hot? Yes.
Try it, yeah. Too hot?
I need more salt.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you do not.
Chicken. Hug.
What we got, Gaby? We got the...
Adult drink.
It's an adult drink, he says. It is the... What is this? The agave pineapple tea. I got it from the Blue Iguana. Get off of that. It is basically Gabriel. It's basically an tequila like Long Island. It has Gabriel.
And what?
It has tequila, gin, vodka. Tequila, gin, vodka. Oh my god. I'm gonna hurt you so bad. You think you're so funny.
I am.
You're not funny. You're not.
Why not?
Anyway, tequila, gin. Don't do it again.
Why not?
Tequila, gin, vodka, pineapple juice, rum, and some more stuff. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's sweet. We're gonna go to Teatime at 3 o'clock. It's in the Meridian restaurant on deck 4, I believe. Aft.
Are you gonna have tea with me?
Yeah. We're gonna get to have some tea with some cake.
Yeah, I like cake.
You like cake?
Yeah, I want to.
Me too.
Can I eat?
It's a cucumber sandwich. Take it like this and do it like that in your tea.
Can I dip it?
Yeah. Don't touch the water, it's hot. Put it in there. Get the string out. So you can just leave it right there. It's gonna do its thing.
Can I stir it?
Go ahead. I'll put you some sugar.
I want sugar. Is that hi, sister?
So we got some cake and some smoked salmon. We got some treats. We got some bean here. She joined.
I will do some low sips.
Slow sips, Gaby. Slow sips. Okay. Hold it with the other. Okay. Very nice. We sipping tea, man. Y'all see my man sipping tea, living life. You need some lemon or something?
Record mine. Record mine.
We did. Cheers. Beautiful. All right, Bob. So how was tea time?
Good.
Good.
I'll press number 7.
Okay. Thank you. It's only 2 of us. So, just up tea time. Bean done left us. She off doing her thing. So me and Bob are going back upstairs. We went to the atrium lobby. They were having a paper plane competition, but apparently we got there late because tea time ran over. So we missed it. So now we're gonna go back up to the room and check on Biggs and see what he got going on. You cruise? How you cruise? Me and Bob hanging, playing Fresh Prince trivia.
What food does Ashley sell at her job at the mall?
Look, you're Ashley.
Number 6. What supermodel made her television debut?
Tyra Banks.
Slave Wheels Break Jacket.
Tyra Banks.
Good job, man. We got some winners over there. He's a winner in my book. You, hey, you my winner.
Yes, I am.
So trivia's over. And I got at least 17, right? Right?
Right.
All right, Bob, let's go find something else to do. All right, so So trivia is over. Me and the Bop. Me and the Bop.
Me and the mom.
Me and the mom. We headed back to the room. We was gonna go to a family scavenger hunt they was having in Camp Ocean, but we got there too late, so they already started. So Camp Ocean is closed. Couldn't drop off Bob, which is fine. So I'm just gonna find something for him to do when we go into the room.
Do me a favor, don't be a hater, subscribe.
Left the splash pad. Bop is in the room. Bean is in the room. And Biggs and I are on our way to pick up our luggage tags to check out. Then we're going to... Hi! Then we're going to Jiji'S.
Man, listen, I'm going back to sleep, man. That's
We just picked up our luggage tags. Next to the liquor store. Now we on the way to dinner. On the way to Jiji'S Asian Kitchen. Okay. Yep.
about to go get some food. Man down the room ain't been given what it's supposed to be given.
It's giving nothing.
It's giving Golden Corrals.
So true. Anyway, we'll keep y'all posted. We are at Jiji'S Kitchen, but y'all seen us in here because we've come here for lunch to the Mongolian wok place, but now we're at the dinner. So we made our choices on our clipboard, and now we're just waiting to order, and we're waiting for our drinks. We ordered some sangria. He is so handsome. Oh, it's nighttime, y'all. That means when we wake up in the AM, it's time to adios. All right, compliments of the chef. We got an appetizer on the house, fried cheese with some dipping sauces, and some slaw. All right, well, we about to get it in. Y'all see Biggs pulling the hat back. That means Lips is about to be smacked.
You're enjoying the content, do me a favor, don't be a hater. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bell for notifications.
Bell.
Leave us a like. Comment down below. We try to do our best for y'all this cruise. To be honest with y'all, anytime y'all come anywhere with us, y'all see, we don't really have no plan other than where we're going to go. Once we get there, we just wing it. So if y'all enjoy the vlog, man, go ahead and let us know, share, pass it along. We just having fun, man. Just trying to let y'all know what we doing, not specifically what you can do, but
what we doing.
What we doing.
With our
And
experience.
if you get inspired by it and be like, oh, that's fresh, I might check that out there. Cool, word. If not, cool, word. But we chilling, man. It's been a rough cruise for Bob. He still had a blast, but just as parents, we know he'd have an even better time if he wasn't dealing with stomach issues and stuff.
Yeah. We about to get it in. There's some fried cheese. They told us what the sauces was, but I forgot. But I think this is like a chili one because I see the chilies in there. So I think it's like a chili sauce. I think that's like a sweet sauce. A little slaw there. Oh, you don't like them carrots? Put them carrots back.
No, making sure we have some.
Oh, it's a whole different slaw right here. I didn't know that. So you get two different slaws. And I'll take mine.
Go ahead and slaw us up.
Looks like a seaweed sauce.
Might be.
Looks like seaweed.
A seaweed salad.
Yeah, seaweed salad. Cool. Y'all see it's in our fresh fam shirts. Y'all see? All right. So I just want to show y'all the inside of this thing. It's cheese. It's nothing but cheese. Fried cheese. Y'all see it pulling. Uh-oh. Big's got something going on over here. He put the chili sauce on his right now.
That should be enough.
And he put the sweet and sour sauce on this one.
I'm putting it on what salad it was closer to.
Oh, okay, sure. If y'all don't know nothing about Biggs, you know how to eat now. He knows how to put some stuff together. Good? Everything together good? We got us some sangrias. Or white something sangria. Oh, that's good. That's refreshing. I like that. First appetizer, we got the pork belly with some sort of, I can't even see it. I don't know what. Looks like a little black, probably like a.
It smell like a hoisin.
Okay.
Like a sweet soy sauce.
Now my man know his sauces now. Uh-oh. Birthday. Alright. So yeah, pork belly. We about to get it in, y'all.
Cheers it up.
Uh-oh, cheers. Cheers to my baby. Yummy, yummy, yummy in our tummies. Beautiful. We got our second appetizer.
Crispy duck.
Crispy duck with some
sambal.
Sambal. Okay.
And mung bean fritters.
And mung bean fritters. Yep. And I don't know if we mentioned this, but everything is $18 per person. And everybody gets one appetizer, one entree, and one side dish. So, since we together, we getting, you know, one each, but we sharing everything. But this duck looks delicious. But so far, so good. Pork belly was okay. It's a little bit tough on the outside, but it's super tender on the inside. Flavor is good. Now we about to get into this duck.
Pork belly is a 7.
Yeah, pork belly is, I agree. I do like it. Now we about to get into this duck dough. Oh, that looks so good, y'all.
Take the leg. I'll take this piece.
This stuff looks so good. You really don't. Don't forget to dip you some sauce, my love. That's good. I would have been so disappointed if it wasn't, because it looks so good.
That's good though.
Mung bean. Okay, it's not bad. It just tastes like a crispy salad, if that makes sense.
It'll probably go better with the duck.
Huh? Are you saying eat it together?
Mm-hmm.
Well, like, do this number, put some duck on here?
Yeah.
And then
A little bit of sauce.
a little bit of sauce on top of the duck then?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. That duck is super tender. We got our first side. It's the fried rice. And then we got our beef short ribs. And we still got some more dishes to come. But yeah, so far I think this is the best dining experience we've had since we've been on the ship. Because the only other places that we really liked was the Mongolian Wok place, which is basically this in the afternoon. And not Shake Shack, Guys Burgers and Seafood Shack. So out of everything we've eaten, I think this is the best. Would you agree?
Yeah, it would be this and Seafood Shack.
Yeah, Seafood Shack is pretty good.
This Seafood Shack and Guys.
Yep.
Honestly, that's probably why I eat next cruise.
Probably. We still got more food to go, but so far so good. So far so good. This is our pork, which is under here, looking oh so good. Oh, that's beautiful color. And this is our and these are our wide noodles. And it come with a bunch of different veggies, as you can see, but it looks so good. Everything looks delicious. So yeah, we got all our food, and now we're gonna enjoy. Y'all see this short rib? So tender, look at that. Look how tender this meat is, y'all. I haven't tasted it yet, but I just had to show y'all how tender this stuff is. Ooh. Dessert is here. Got a creme brulee and a rose. Thank you.
Rose creme brulee.
And a rose creme brulee. My base.
Rose creme brulee.
Oh, sorry. Rose creme brulee. And
Caramelized crepes.
And caramelized crepes. Cracky. That's not bad. I'm trying to think, is it the dining room creme brulee? It kind of tastes the same.
I'll tell you in a second.
But yeah, here you go, my love. Caramelized crepes. My baby loves some crepes, if y'all don't know. He loves crepes. This almost looks like a little blitz. You know the little blitz thingies?
Blitz.
Blitz, that's what it is.
Well, it looks
Blitz like football.
Football rush.
Oh, we got ice cream. It's filled with ice cream. And more.
It's filled with cream cheese or something.
Oh, that's cream cheese?
We'll see. I mean, you'll tell me.
That's ice cream, baby.
It's ice cream?
It's not bad, to be honest. They kind of taste the same because this is like caramel and this is caramel. So it really tastes like I'm eating that, just in rolled up form.
It's a little bit better than this.
Yeah, okay. My arm? It's a little bit better, okay. Miami. We're back and we're sad. We are sad. We are sad. We got our last coffee. Sorry about the smudge, y'all. Just some condensation, but Big's got his last coffee with the drink package. We still was able to use it.
Please do not head down to deck 3 forward because we do have quite the line backed up. So just wait for our call and we will.
All right. So we chilling. We was about to head down, but they just made an announcement for us not to head down because it's backed up and they having technical difficulties. So we back in the room.
But I want to go
just to wait.
into Miami.
We're going into Miami, okay? We have to wait. We can't tell, Mom. We going home.
I can see the button.
So yeah, that's all for us, y'all.
See the button that
Baby.
closes the camera.
Anybody that's been on vacation, y'all know the feeling is.
See the
It's
button
always
that...
a good feeling
Baby.
because you're happy to have had
Hey,
like a
Mommy.
successful trip.
Mommy.
You know, and make it back to your destination
Mommy.
safely, but it's always
Hey,
like
Mommy.
sad because it's like,
Mommy.
you know, you
Not
spending
right
quality
now.
time with your family. Most of the time we working, we don't like really see our family the way we want to because we be so busy working, grocery shopping, doing chores, running errands and stuff. So when I get to spend time with my family, just like straight, like 24 hours out the day, just them, it's the best feeling in the world. When it comes to an end, I get very, very sad.
So we're leaving. And we had a really good time. It was really good. We actually, well, Biggs
What color
is already actually planning for our next one.
Until it's time to walk.
But yeah, man, we enjoyed ourselves. It was a fabulous 6 days of just relaxation,
When it's time to walk,
meeting
put it
new
back on.
people, eating food. It was good. It was fun. So
We're done.
we're done. Hold on.
But
Done.
Done.
I don't want to go back.
Appreciate y'all rocking out and vibing with us. It's been a wonderful cruise.
Wonderful cruise.
I don't want to go.
It's always a pleasure. And until the next time.
Stay fresh and adios.
Till next time, Constantine.
Bye, Constantine.
Bye.